Hello everyone, hope you are fine. So today's video is how to draw moons and doodle art step by step, especially for beginners. And today's shoutout is at the end of the video, so don't miss it. And if you want it to be highlighted, then send me your artworks on Instagram or through emails, and in next video I will show you every single artwork which you send me. I have taken an ivory sheet of dimensions 29 into 20 cm and by taking midpoints of both sides, join the lines to get the center of sheet. Now I am marking another point at 4 cm away from center and drawing a line perpendicular to it of 1.5 cm length. Now these are the 2 points from which we are going to draw the circles. I am drawing a circle of 8 cm radius here and another circle of 6 cm radius here. And now I am drawing section using the center point of 8 cm radius circle. Now focus here. I have changed the center point and taken this point to draw a circle outside our moon. In the next step, I am going to use protractor to mark intervals at 10 degrees. Now use a scale to join the points to the center. Now I am drawing a rough sketch of a boy and a girl sitting together. Moving to the detailing part, now I am filling the first section with black. Coming to second section, I suggest you all to draw these patterns with pencil first. And then use gel pen or fine liners. And please follow the steps for better results. Moving to third section. See, when we use pencil to draw something, it reduces the chances of mistakes and you can draw the patterns accurate and precise. And I recommend fine liners because these have very fine tips and they do not get faded over time. And these are resistant to bleed through on most papers. And they do not form feathers. In detailing part, I am using dot technique as a pattern. Coming to fourth section, here I am using 2 grids to draw a single pattern. I am showing every single detail and suggesting you the simplest way to draw it. So, if you like my tutorial, then please subscribe to the channel and comment down. Moving to fifth section, just keep the shapes intact and follow the steps which I am showing as much as possible, so that you cannot get it harder to draw. Moving to sixth section, now here you have to focus on the pattern as I am going to draw 2 different patterns in same section. I have filled 7th section with black. Now I am drawing pattern in last section. Now moving to next part, I am using 0.1 mm fine liner here to do outline of the sketch which I have drawn. Now again going to section 5 and filling the empty space using pencil colors. I am using Faber-Castell pencil colors here, but I will suggest you to use Staedtler's if you have, because these are easy to blend and they give more contrasting look as compared to Faber-Castell's in my opinion. I am blending red color with black. Now we will make clouds here. I am just drawing randomly and correcting the curves. Now I am using white pen to add some more detailing and making it look more complex. Now moving to the last part of our artwork, I am adding details to our characters. Just keep in mind that your color selection for character should match whole artwork, otherwise it will look distorted. Today's lucky person selected for Shoutout is Akhila. She made peacocks and doodle art, and this was her attempt in the lockdown period as she is passionate in doing art. So congratulations Akhila, you are doing great and this is amazing.